Kia ora and good morning from cold but beautiful Kaikoura. We woke up this morning at around 6 at our campground, which was absolutely chock-a-block. That's what happens when you get a free campground, everyone goes. We were staying just out of Kaikoura. We've come back and we're catching a sunrise down here on the beachfront just behind me here. Not quite there yet, but it's going to be magic when it does. I've heard the sunrises here are incredible, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. Ash is still getting changed. In my haste to leave the campground, I left her shoes outside our van, so that's bad boyfriend 101. So she's pretty good about it, but not a great start to the day there, Matt. Anyway, we're going to catch a sunrise and then we are going to head on over to Hanmer Springs, which is a couple hours drive, and we're going to check out the sights and sounds in Hanmer Springs. Have a bit of breakfast too, and probably a coffee. It is seriously cold down here. It's colder, it's in April, but we're colder than winter up in the North Island already. So you South Islanders, you're a tough breed, I'll give you that. Alright, let's go get some brekkie and catch a sunrise. There's not a lot more in life that I love more than a sunrise. Maybe rugby, beer and pies.
And me.
Oh yeah. And Ash, yeah. Gotta love a sunrise. A little breakfast stop for the morning. So we've got some coffees going. I'm going to indulge in leftover pasta. Probably not the best breakfast. Well, nutritional, but not your traditional breakfast. But this is where the magic is. Look at that view. There's Ashley getting a good shot of the mountains and the clouds. What a stunning place. You know what that means. Coffee time! Cheers. Okay, so we've just arrived at Point Kean Peninsula Walkway. It's a short walk, and it just walks around the peninsula off Kaikoura, and you can see seals. So we're hoping to see a few seals. We saw some yesterday. Just a quick update. If you're just joining me and Ash now on our South Island adventure, head across to my channel or click the link above, I think it's on that side, and watch yesterday's video. It was the start of our journey down to where we are now, so that might piece the story together a little bit better rather than just trying to join in now. But we're going to go try and find some seals now, so fingers crossed. How happy are you?
So happy.
You got to see your seals. We're heading back to the car now, or the camper, and our next stop will be Hanmer Springs.
Stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat. It's 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 no sweat.
Lunchtime here in Hanmer Springs. G'day, mate.
Hey, mate.
Look at this.
Beetroot wraps.
Beautiful setup. Nothing amazing for lunch. Some wraps, some ham, tomatoes, banana, all that sort of jazz. Happy as Larry?
Happy as Larry.
Alrighty, so we've had our little stop in Hanmer Springs. Got a coffee for the road, and we're on our way through the Lewis Pass out to the west coast now, the Pancake Rocks, Punakaiki Rocks. It's about a 3.5 hour trip. Okay, so we've just stopped in Reefton and we've called into the town. The first thing you notice is that they're really proud to announce the fact that they were the first town in New Zealand to get electricity. And if any of you have been to Reefton before, it's not really the place you'd expect to get electricity, especially first in New Zealand. But in 1888, sure enough, Reefton was the first town to get electricity in New Zealand. And if you come over here, there's a few key players and they talk about them here. Ash is checking them out. So we've got a few key players in the distribution of hydroelectric power here in Reefton. They gave them the first town in New Zealand to get power. Crazy! I don't think it's grown much since 1888, to be honest, if you check the main street. Whew. We made it. That's a seriously long drive. But we're here at the Pancake Rocks. Pancake Rocks on a beautiful west coast afternoon. And we're going to go check them out.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, all that you desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
What do you think you're doing?
Driving?
Did you enjoy that?
Yes, I loved it.
Yeah?
It was awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Something I wanted to see.
Yeah, definitely worth doing, eh?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so that was the Pancake Rocks. We are going to make the 45-minute journey down to Greymouth now, pick up some supplies and hit our campsite, which is in Greymouth. By that stage we should have an epic sunset on board, which will be cool because we saw the sunrise this morning, sunset this afternoon. So we're off to get some supplies. We didn't mention we didn't have a shower yesterday, so we're a bit smelly because last night's campsite didn't have showers. But that's the trade-off you make when you hire a camper van without sort of self-contained facilities. If you want to camp for free, they don't have showers. So we've paid for a campground tonight, but it's only 20 bucks or something, so it's worth it. Greymouth it is.
Greymouth it is.
We just made it for the sunset, just in time. There it is going down. We've got some of the good stuff. Macca's. The beach.
Beautiful.
Beautiful girl.
Well, like we literally just made it.
Yeah, we did. Look at that. It just disappeared. How cool was that? What that is brilliant timing, folks. Let's have a look. Look at that. How's that for timing? We had a sunrise this morning out over the east coast, and today we finish up with a sunset over the west coast and Greymouth. I probably have mad hat hair going on right now, but I don't care. Look at that. Woohoo! Kermit the camper doing the business. Big trip today across the country. Oh, stunning. I love the South Island. It's just beautiful. Day 3 of our epic road trip across the South Island. And we'll catch you tomorrow for day 4 and another epic day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Maddie's Shenanigans. Yeah, no, definitely. Thanks for watching.